Hello everyone. Today we have with us Anwar Lios. Anwar has been 360 DigiTMG student. He has got his certificate, diploma certificate in data analytics from State University of New York, and he completed all the modules which 360 DigiTMG has designed. And Anwar has been working in a lot of companies in different roles. In the role of business analyst or in business analytics space, he worked. He worked in the space of planning and analysis. So, given this domain knowledge that he has, the moment he has accrued knowledge about AI, very soon he could actually see that the knowledge that he has accrued as part of trainings and his domain knowledge, business knowledge, could be combined together. And thanks to that, Anwar is now going to venture into the field of AI and he'll be working in Saudi Arabia. Congratulations, Anwar,
Thank you
on
so much,
this
Bharani. Thank you
opportunity.
so much.
So, Anwar, would you like to explain your journey with 360 Digit MG, the trainings part, and the projects which you would have done as part of AI Spry? Would you like to throw some light on that, please?
Okay, sure. Thank you, Bharani. Thank you, Rajashekar. So, I was in Saudi Arabia last 13 years. So, I was very, interested in like analytical field. So, it was my dream to become like a sales analyst. But thanks God, I became like a financial planning and analysis manager, like a PNA manager, filled the post. So what are the experience, like advanced Excel, Power BI, even SQL, everything through, I did not learn from a professional team, just through the YouTube videos and like that. So I decided, I missed something somewhere, certificate or something for professional advice, professional learning. So I decided to, leave Saudi Arabia and reach in India to find a good institute. So honestly, I joined in two institute here in Cochin and Trivandrum, but I was not happy. Then I searched through the internet and I find it through LinkedIn 360 digits. Then I contact Lakshmi, the mentor. She was amazing, very supportive. Uh, and through her, actually, I joined in 360. Then I wondered, actually, I thought, I know Excel, I know Power BI, but when I learned through the 360, I understand I was nothing, I was zero. Then, in a professional way, I got training from Ms. Bhargavi ma'am and even Mr. Bharani and Dev. All are amazing, amazing because I did not expect such a beautiful class. It's even the LMS on daily basis. I just throw it away all other my Facebook and the Insta scrolling and only concentrated in especially in the your classes LMS. That's one of the best things. I never seen in any institute like that. I was wondered that the way you are explaining in LMS, Mr. Bharani and Ms. Bhargavi ma'am, even my son, 13 years old, Adnan, he could understand the way. So I practice well, especially your advice, practice, practice, practice. The three things: practice, practice, practice. So everyday practice, and once I completed the course, then I came to know from Lakshmi, Mr. Bharani and Bhargavi has especially taking a new batch. Then again I joined, again I practiced, and two project I completed like a inventory analysis, US pharmacy, pharmaceutical inventory analysis. The second one is the liver function detection, both. So I'm much confidence because before I don't have any confidence, especially in SQL and Python. Only Excel, advanced Excel, Power BI. But later I understand there is a raw level, security level, RLS, lots of things since I learned actually. I was nothing before, but now I'm a professional, I'm a professional. Then again, I went to Saudi Arabia as a visit visa and got some interview. Then I just thought about like a consultant agreement, like a 6 month, and I'm searching for another job like that. But thanks God, the CEO, he was interested in my profile, and especially the State University of New York, the SUNY certificate helped me a lot. because they don't know about Calicut University or Trivandrum Kerala University. So they were aware maybe. So I got the certificate and I showed them. Then the CV, even the resume making, the advanced resume making, I learned through 360 actually. So I corrected somewhere here and there, the new wordings, advanced things. So submitted. So after the 3-4 interviews, I hired, actually not as consultant, as a direct employee reporting to CEO. It was a great experience because this guy, Mr. Abdulaziz, the CEO, he was 21 years experience in P&G, Procter & Gamble as a CEO. So I'm thinking, sure, I will get a great experience when I'm working with him, So when I get the job offer, I say, even in the ID profession, they mention like Senior Business Planning Analyst, but my position is Senior Business Planning Manager, because the manager post is, it's especially for Saudis only mainly. So the post is manager, but in the ICAMA, they will mention as analyst only. Okay. So I'm very happy that immediately I informed to Lashmi to share with Mr. Bharani and Bhargavi ma'am, because I'm very much happy, because I'm a confidence person now because of complete training, professional way. And even when I get these things, always I try to apply it through the previous data which I worked in the previous companies. Because we need the data, only because through the LMS there is already data is available. Even though I tried to maintain, the preparing new dashboard, applying SQL and everything through my life experiences. So that's make me more confidence. So anyway, within 10 days, I will go back to Saudi and join in the new position. This is the journey through the 360 digital.
Wonderful, amazing. And what is the company that you said you'll be joining, Anwar?
This company name is Qaryan, Qaryan. This is the biggest company in Middle East. They are doing like recycling of copper, steel, zinc, magnesium. So they are getting the Saudi government a big project like demolishing. Now the 2034, there is a World Cup is coming. So they are demolishing a big cities and making a new stadium and like that. So they are in charge of like recycling, demolishing the buildings and everything. Then after that, they have 22 big factories in the desert. So they will recycle all the metals and hedging and sending to London and Europe markets. So they don't have a much competitor actually. In the Middle East, they are the best one. So plus the team there are, it's a very professional team. So I think, inshallah, I will have a great experience from this company. This is the
absolutely, Anwar. So thank you so much. It has been a detailed explanation, your journey, and I'm sure it is going to motivate a lot of people.
Some of my colleagues already joined through me. Some of my colleagues already joined in 360. So wonderful. Now my brother wanted to join, but I'm just checking with Lashmi the proper time, because he is a IT manager in Castrol, British Petroleum in Khobar, Saudi Arabia. Okay. So I said just join. Then through the LMS, it's enough for you to attend the exam and everything. So maybe during this month he will join us, my elder brother.
Wonderful. I wish you all success, and I'm sure you are going to rock. And for the audience who are watching this, friends, to hear the sound of a clap, you need both hands, right? We were one hand and Anwar was another hand. This success which Anwar has achieved now is not just restricted to what we taught, right? What we taught probably will help you move halfway. But the effort that you put in terms of practicing daily, Anwar has been practicing on various data sets. He has been creating reports, dashboards, etc., which has helped him gain immense confidence. And eventually, he landed in the job. So hard work and perseverance, nothing can beat that. Once again, Anwar has proven to one and all. Thank you so much, Anwar. All the very best for your future, and do stay in touch.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ms. Parani and Rajashekar. Okay, thanks all the team, especially all the team from Lakshmi to all the Dev, then Bhargavi ma'am and each and everyone. And thank you so much. And I will
Thank you.
continue the journey with 360, of course. I don't want it to leave,
Sure.
I need to learn lots of things still,
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
and
so
all
much.
the very best, Anwar.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you.